Hi again, first graders. This is part 2 of our short I lesson. And we're going to read this little short story called Can It Fit? This is our title. Can it fit? With a question mark. Can this cat fit? I wonder who it's going to fit. It's by Chandra Majors, who wrote the words, and illustrated by Elizabeth Allen. So she drew or painted these lovely illustrations. Once again, we are going to try to stretch the sounds out in this video, because sometimes we do things like this. We make them short and choppy, like it. And sometimes I find maybe it's too challenging for you to put the sounds together. So now we're going to stretch them out like this. It. What word am I making? It. That happens to be the first word on this page, and then we also have a sight word down here. This word is what? W-H-A-T, what? This is what we do. W-H-A-T, what? It's a question word. So let's go ahead and read this. It is a an tan cap cap. What can it fit in it? Fast way, it is a tan cap. What can fit in it? An fan can it fit in it? I probably should have sounded those out. You may want to pause the video to sound those two last words out. I apologize. Is it for an fan? So let's read this the fast way. A fan can fit in it. Is it for a fan? We make our voice go up because that is a question mark. We're asking a question. A tin and pan is in it. See how I stretch those out? Is in it. Is it for a tin and pan? Let's read it the fast way. A tin pan is in it. Is it for a tin pan? I don't think this cap is for a tin pan. A map can, that's a sight word, it fit in it. I'm sorry. Is it for a map? Let's read this the fast way. Those little 2-letter words I'm hoping you can read quickly. A map can fit in it. I don't know what's happening to this. Sorry. Is it for a map? Let's try that again because my screen shared the desktop for some reason. A map can fit in it. Is it for a map? Ram, cat, can it sit in it? See how we really are saying the words. So short, we're saying the whole word. Is it for ram, cat? Let's read this the fast way. Ram cat can sit in it. Is it for ram cat? I don't think the cap is for ram cat to sit in. Here's a sight word, and I keep forgetting that the word for is also a sight word. It's on the last page. and I think it was on another one, F-O-R. It's the word for. We cannot really sound this one out other than if you want to know, OR says or. So FOR is for, not the number 4. We shouldn't have done the hand gesture. Now this is another sight word. This is the word look. L-O-O-K. Look. There's the O-O in the middle. Look at Sam. It is his cap. Ram is his cat. Let's read this the fast way. Look at Sam. It is his cap. Ram is his cat. The end. I would like us to actually go back to the beginning and read this the fast way. Can it fit? It is a tan cap. What can fit in it? A fan can fit in it. Is it for a fan? A tin pan is in it. Is it for a tin pan? A map can fit in it. Is it for a map? Ram cat can sit in it. Is it for Ram cat? Look at Sam. Oh, I didn't point to those. Look at Sam. It is his cap. Ram is his cat. And that's the end of the story. That is his cap. A cap is another word for a hat. And there should be a period right here, but Mrs. Rudick also made mistakes. Adults make mistakes too. All readers make mistakes, so we go back and we read again. Have a wonderful day and happy reading, readers.